Alright, before I finish this, I want you guys to check it out. Instead of sending them to get it chromed, I polished them myself. So, use Mother's this, a bunch of sandpaper. I mean a bunch of sandpaper. And I did it by hand. Well, I grinded it off with 80 grit with a drill. That porous. This was real porous. I hadn't even polished this yet. But see, I'm starting to polish it now. See. So yeah, man. Done it myself. See, I'm just now getting to it, starting. There's the front rim. See, that's the color it was. Ugly gold. There's the front rim. Not perfect, but good enough for me. So yep, I have to polish this again. It got a little rain on it. See the water spots, but. Yeah, I'm gonna do it like that instead of chroming was too much money and couldn't find anybody to polish it cheap, so I figured I'd do it myself. So turned out, man. That's the last update with the wheels. I have the tires on it. We're gonna keep going. All right, peace.